Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to receive money from abroad using Maya in 2025. So the first thing you're going to do is to open the Maya app and then go to More. Then select Remittance. After that, choose a partner service like Western Union, MoneyGram, or RRA. These are supported inside Maya for receiving international transfers, even though I recommend you to use Western Union because it's the best one. Step 3. Enter the tracking number or reference code sent by the sender. Of course, double check the sender's name and country of origin. Next, submit the details and wait for confirmation. Once verified, the funds will be instantly credited to your Maya wallet. Now finally, you can withdraw to a bank or use the money directly for purchases. It's simple, fast, and all digital. No physical bank transfers needed. So, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.